If you want to remove a payment method from your ESPN Plus account, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the ESPN Plus website or open the ESPN app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, look for your profile icon or the menu option. Click on it to find the account or settings section. Step 3. Navigate to payment information. In account settings, locate the payment information or billing section. This is where your current payment methods are listed. Step 4. Select payment method to remove. Find the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option to edit or delete this payment method. Click on it. Step 5. Confirm removal. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to remove the selected payment method. Make sure to save any changes if prompted. After completing these steps, your payment method should be successfully removed from your ESPN Plus account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to ESPN Plus customer support for assistance.